Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping ingredients so assembly moves quickly. Rinse and dry berries, slice larger fruit, and portion yogurt and granola into small bowls. Once prepped, place a heaping 1/2 cup yogurt into each glass, smooth the top, then add a thin layer of fruit. This creates visual contrast and keeps textures separate. Make sure to press fruit lightly so it sits evenly. This first layering sets structure and flavor balance for the parfait. Once the base is set, continue building. Add another 1/4 to 1/2 cup fruit, then a thin sprinkle of granola, and repeat until you reach the rim or desired height. You want alternating creamy and crunchy textures, so make granola layers light. This prevents sogginess while preserving contrast. Make sure to taste as you go. Add a drizzle of honey or a smear of jam between layers if you need more sweetness, and a little citrus zest for brightness. You finish by crowning the parfait with reserved granola, a couple whole berries, and a small sprig of mint for aroma. Finish with a light honey drizzle to add shine. Once done, chill for 10–15 minutes to let flavors meld, but serve promptly if you want maximum crunch. If the granola becomes soggy, make sure to add fresh granola just before serving or warm it briefly at 150 degrees to recrisp. This restores texture without changing flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.